The administrative internship program really gives up-and-coming leaders the chance to work side by side with seasoned team members at UCLA Health, everyone from our managers, directors, to the top executive team, to really take on and lead projects for the institution.
Many of us come from Master of Public Health programs, MBA programs, Master of Healthcare Administration programs, so the opportunity has been amazing getting to apply that to real-life work.
I'm here as an international student having no experience about how a big US healthcare system works. Every day I'm out there witnessing firsthand how patient care is delivered. UCLA Health is ensuring that these interns have as strong as an idea they can of a big healthcare center.
We want our administrative interns to walk away after 10 weeks having a better understanding of how healthcare works and the people who help make it happen. We bring them on site both to participate in projects that are department specific, but then also engage in experiential learning in their home department, but then across the health system as well.
What's unique about our program is that we are located on the UCLA campus, and the synergies that you get between the schools of business, the engineering school, the research and innovation, biodesign, together with patient care and education just really brings the program together.
Anything you're interested in, whether it's like the most cutting edge cancer treatments or new processes that aren't really being tried anywhere else, you can find here. And through the internship, we're able to actually shadow those processes.
From day one, we have expectations of them and they deliver. The time that they're with us is very short and we really want to make the best of it, so they are very busy.
We encourage you to take advantage of this program, to be able to be immersed, to build upon your strengths, and really understand what healthcare delivery is all about.
I think just about anything you'd want to find in healthcare or in academic medicine, you're able to find here at a place like UCLA Health. It's a great opportunity to join a team who wants you to be here and is going to benefit from everything that you have to offer.
For me and everyone on our leadership team, it's really an honor to be able to work with new and emerging leaders, to share what we've learned throughout our careers, to mentor them, to see them grow and thrive, and really learn from the experiences at UCLA Health. And we've seen many of our administrative interns go on to have great careers, both here and at other institutions throughout the country.
The experience has been one of the most influential and just impactful experiences in my professional career. It's just a once-in-a-lifetime opportunity that anyone in public health or health management should pursue to further their career goals.